Right. Where are we? So we are in Cathedral Square Craft Market. So I tried to read from my phone. So this side is just a decent walk, and you can enter into the craft market from here. Wow. Cookies. Beautiful. Wow. Nice. So this side what we got? The slide, I believe. People are going up there and having a slide. You can have a ticket from here. Wow. And if you want to have a drink, you can sit and enjoy here. They got really tiny Christmas tree here. So what we got, hot, fresh and crepes, donuts. So if you want to have donuts, come here. So again, we got more stalls this side. Posh. Good food equals good mood. Well said. So there is a pigeon in the park bar. So you have to go upstairs if you want to enjoy a top view. So Christmas in Cathedral Square Craft Market. Pigeon in the park. Wow. So got perfumes. Fragrances. This stall is empty. You can bring your own stuff. This unit is available. If you are interested in joining the market, then please email info@ccstrader.co.uk. So there is another entrance from this side. So one more there. Award-winning cheese. So got cheese shop here. Try before you buy. So they are offering to try their cheese before you buy. Wow. Craft market. What we have got here? Wow, marshmallow. Chicken crisp. I think whiskey or sort of, I'll call it something. Box of brownies and some gift shops.
And it's made with special.
So here we got another entrance. Jewelry shop. I'm going to cover jewelry quarter in Birmingham soon. What is this? Wine. These are roast pulled pork or turkey rolls. So right now we are in the center of the Cathedral Square. I'm gonna give you a 360 view. Okay, let us cover. So people are grilling here their marshmallows or whatever. Bar, buy some drink. Asha, Indian street food. Cadbury's hot chocolate. Wow. So this side is another entrance. I'll go later that side. You can see a Christmas ride, Christmas tree ride. So first I need to go this side. Part of cars. So we got couple of stalls free here. If you are interested, you got almost 2 months, guys. You can have stall here. So these are pets. Okay, that is another entrance. This is, I think, fourth one. Here we got sort of jewelry. Yeah, gift shops. Same here, gift shops. Again, gift shop. Everyone got different type of items. Another scooter, touch fries. Wow. So this one also sort of, I think, bread pizzeria. She went to muffins. Wow, another gift shop. Beautiful. I think this is honey. So this one is another entrance. Another gift shop. So I need to go this one as well. So this one we got Christmas tree.
When you're recording the vendors, you might want to ask for their permission because some of them, their faces might
All
not
right.
want to be
Okay.
nice.
Sure.
Cheers.
Thank you. Sorry. So I got objected while you're recording. So this is what we have to face all the time if you are recording any event or anything. So really tiny capsules or cubes, or I don't know. So this is the back entrance again. So I'm going the same way to go back to the main Christmas market. It's really beautiful, this crafts market. Beautiful, guys. You must visit Birmingham in this winter. I'll try to upload as soon as possible. So right in the middle I can see a monument here. Let me see what is this. Right in the middle.
Where are we going?
So back here are toilets. So what is this? It's Burnaby. So this monument is here. I don't know the history of this one. Shivya 1875. So if you recognize this guy, Abu Kli 1885. So I don't know much about this monument. So getting back to the track. So if you want to have drink on the top there and enjoy. Beautiful Christmas tree. So that was the end of tour of Christmas in Cathedral Square Craft Market. Hopefully you guys enjoyed.